Hello, in this short video, I will show you how to work with the Xperience Page Builder. With the Page Builder, you design the layout and the content of your pages in a WYSIWYG style, or what you see is what you get style. Say I want to promote new coffees in the Dancing Goats store. I'll be using this campaign landing page. To make the offer stand out from the page, I'll also add some heading above the coffees. You can find the Page Builder on the Page tab in the Pages application. Dancing Goat's new coffees and their heading should display above this testimonial. First, I'll create a section for the heading. I'll click the Add button on the left side of the page. A dialog window appears where I can choose how many columns the new section will have. I only want to add a text of the heading here, so I'll select the one column layout. The default background my developers prepared doesn't work well here, so I'll use the Configure button and change it to a flat white. In the new section, I'll click the blue plus button to add a new widget. Clicking the button shows a dialog window with all the available widgets for this section. I'll choose the rich text widget and paste my heading text inside. To style the text, I'll highlight it, which displays the text editor properties. I want this text to be rather dominant, so I'll style the text as heading type 2. Now let's add the new coffees. I'll add another section, but this time I'll select a section with 2 columns. If later you change your mind about the section's layout, you can always adjust it using this menu on the right side. I want to promote 3 of our latest products, so I'll change the section to the 3-column layout. To display the products, I'll use the product card widget that shows the product image, its name, and a short description. I'll click the widget's configure button, and from the store, I'll select the product that I want to display in the first column. Then I'll add the second product card widget, click configure, and select the second coffee from the store. And finally, I'll add the third coffee using the same widget. I'm not quite happy with the order of the coffees, so I'll use my mouse and reorder the widgets. I'm now happy with how the page looks, so I'll save my changes. And my new landing page is ready to bring some serious traffic to the Dancing Goat's latest products. Now you know how to work with the Xperience Page Builder. Thank you for watching.